the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Hey, all my beautiful nail besties. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be creating a 4th of July nail set using mainly Temu products. So I'm super excited about that because I've done tons of hauls and not really done a Temu only nail set. These tips are XL squares and are from Temu, which I will have as much of this listed down in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Now, I will be applying these off camera, but before I do, I just wanted to show you guys a little hack in case you don't have a nail drill. If you want to etch the inside of your nail tips, applying a primer to the inside of them will actually etch them, which is very convenient. Like I said, if you do not have a nail drill. Sometimes, even though I do have a nail drill, I still like doing it like this because it is a lot quicker, and trying to file on the inner part of those nails can be very tedious. So, starting off, I am going to go in with this absolutely stunning reflective blue polish that is by the brand CUTICLE, which again, I did get off Temu. I got this in a prior haul and I'm obsessed with these reflective polishes. They are absolutely beautiful. And I just want to mention that I do apply a second coat off camera to any of the main colors that you will be seeing in the video today. So I do apply the blue reflective to my full thumb, my full pointer, and then half of my middle finger. Just look at that reflect. My goodness, is that beautiful. Now that we are done with that, we are going to go in with some white by, again, the brand CUTICLE. These are Korean gels and I absolutely love them. One thing I will say about the white though is it is a little bit thinner than I would normally prefer, so the white for sure does need 2 coats. So I just finish applying the other half of my middle finger, and then I will be painting my ring finger with the white as well. And I did just want to mention that I am doing a full 60-second cure in between each color just so nothing does get messed up. You can wait till the end, but I would not recommend it. So next we'll be going in with this red by CUTICLE again and covering the entire pinky nail and then curing it for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to take my matte top coat and fully cover the pointer, the middle, and the ring finger, because these are the fingers that we are going to be doing nail art on. It makes it a lot easier to paint and do nail art over a matte top coat, and it makes it a lot easier for cleanup as well, applying either a top coat or a matte top coat before you go in with nail art. That way, if you do have to do any cleanup, you aren't messing up your original color, if that makes sense. And then just go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going to take this Supwe, I believe is how you pronounce it. I'm not 100% sure, but it is a silver cat eye, and I'm going to apply it to my full pinky nail, and then without curing it, come in with my magnet and just kind of shift it around the outer edge of the entire nail, and then I will pop that in the nail lamp for 60 seconds to cure when I am done. Look at that shift. My goodness, is that beautiful. I love this one. I love the cat eye. I love how it adds that effect to it. I think it is just beautiful. And I do go ahead and apply a top coat to this one because we aren't going to add any nail art to the pinky or the thumb, just some bling at the end of the video. And now comes the fun part. I do speed through quite a bit of this and do some of it off camera. I was having a little bit of camera issues this day. There was like 2 different points within recording this nail set where my camera just kind of stopped recording. Luckily I did catch it fairly quick so you guys don't really miss much. But if it looks like there was quite a bit that I didn't record, that is why. But I just go ahead and add some stars to the blue part on my middle finger and then to the pointer finger as well. I will let this part go ahead and play out, and then I will be back when I'm done. And I do just want to mention that for the nail art part of this, I do have my little flash cure pen, and I am flash curing very frequently while doing this part because I do not want to mess it up. After we are done applying the stars to half of the middle finger and the pointer finger, it is time to come in with our stripes. We are going to use that same red that we used for the pinky finger for the stripes on this part. And I want to say that when you're doing this, I noticed what helped me get the proportions really spot on for the stripes is just doing a bunch of lines the same distance apart and then filling in every other one, if that makes sense. And then I just tried to match it up as best as I could for my ring finger, and then just go ahead and fill them all in, flash curing every couple stripes, I would say, is what I did. I think I would paint like 2 and then flash cure it. But I will let this part go ahead and play out, and I will be back. When I'm done painting the stripes, I do go in and do a full 60-second cure before coming in with any bling. So, like I said, now it is time to do some bling. They already look so pretty. I don't think I could have made them look much prettier, but my thumb and my pinky were feeling a little bit bare, so I just wanted to spruce those up a little. I take some red rhinestones, some white pearls that are a flat back, so not a full pearl shape, and then some AB crystals, and apply those to the thumb. And then for the pinky nail, I just used only the red rhinestones. I did use my Model 1's rhinestone gel, which I absolutely love, and then go ahead and pop that in the nail lamp for 60 seconds to cure. Look at how beautiful these turned out. My goodness. So now that we are done with all of our nail art and applying the bling, we are going to go in and top coat all of the nails and then cure it for a full 60 seconds. Look at how beautiful those are. My goodness, these turned out so good. I am obsessed with how these turned out. I hope that one of you try recreating these. If you do, please tag me. I am so glad that I was able to get a 4th of July video out before the 4th. I know I'm cutting it close, but I did sprain my thumb last week. Well, a little over a week ago now. And it was on my dominant hand, so kind of messed up my recording schedule. But again, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you as part of our Nail Bestie family. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a safe 4th of July, and we will see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.